Evolutionary psychology. Looking at evolutionary psychology, there is a theory called assortative mating that suggests people tend to select mates that resemble themselves, consisting of height. However, the reliability of this theory relating to height differential is being tested. Current findings suggest that contemporary women choose a male to be 8 inches taller than themselves. It appears that when it pertained to picking a perfect partner, men were not so choosy about height differential. The information revealed that 13.5% of the males wish to date only women much shorter than they are. In contrast, 48.9% of ladies chosen tall men. Just gender and height stereotypes in the media. In our incredibly communicative world, it's extremely easy to get connected up with stereotypes. Society uses mediums such as films, publications, news, music, marketing, and influential people to enhance certain messages. I can't help but wonder if this consistent barrage is the primary reason much shorter ladies and tall ladies sway away from evolutionary patterns in their option of partner. Throughout the screen age, women have been looking up into their beau's eyes, men have been bending down to kiss, and let's not forget the high and good-looking hero who always sweeps in to conserve the damsel in distress. Fun fact, height is the second most lied about function on dating apps, just being outshined by task. Less discussed, and not really politically appropriate, is the concept that ladies aim to high guys for physical protection and security. Whether this gender stereotype is understanding or truth, there is a level of subconscious security ladies find attractive that only a tall guy can provide. Ladies specify they don't wish to be shorter than their partner when using heels. Some ladies are drawn to the self-confidence or perceived confidence a high man brings. Another remark I discovered intriguing was ladies mentioned they liked high guys to take some attention from themselves. If their guy is bigger than them, they feel more small. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.